Hello everyone, greetings to you all. I salute you all according to your time. You're welcome to Gladys Kitchen. Happy Merry Christmas to you all. Today I have a very yummy roasted today, which is roasted chicken, and these are the ingredients I'll be needing for this roasted chicken. Right in here I have chicken, I have a shallot onion, I have bay leaf right here, and here I have 2 garlic, and I have 10 tablespoons of salt. Right here I have melted butter, I have vegetable oil, and I have water right here. Now what I will do now, I have to peel off the eschalot, peel off the skin of the eschalot this way. Oh yeah, and same with the garlic. Just this way. Now it's ready. Right now I put this aside right now, and this is what I will be needing for that. Right here I have here a bowl. Right now I'm going to put the vegetable oil right inside this bowl. Yeah, what I'll be needing. Okay, this is what I will use to bake the chicken. Now I have the chicken right now. I'm going to place the chicken right in here and put this aside. Okay, and I place it right here. You can see the chicken. Okay, you can take off the plastic from the chicken right now, and here you have the whole of the chicken. Now we're going to read what I'm going to do right now, guys. Okay guys, you just open it this way inside the hole, and what I will do right now, I will just put one of the eschalot onion right inside the hole, and the bay leaf in, the garlic inside the hole, and I'll put the thyme inside the hole. You can see all is inside the hole. And right now I will be adding a little some salt, this salt. Okay, I'll leave half of the salt, and now I have, okay, you can see it with you just pour out the butter and the rest of the butter inside the hole. Okay guys, this is what you will need to do. And right now you cover, before covering it up, you have water. Add some water inside the hole. This water will make the sauce to go out from the chicken. Okay, we now have the sauce of the chicken, and now we're going to the rest of the eschalots at the right side, at the left side. Okay, the rest of the salt, just put it on top of the chicken and add a little vegetable oil. Okay guys, that is all. And now we're putting it in the oven. You're going to on your oven in 200 degrees and leave it for 1 hour. Guys, I just brought it out of the oven, and you can see normally you have to leave it for 1 hour. Yes, it's going to be roasted for 1 hour, but in 30 minutes you bring it out from the oven. Okay, you're going to turn it, because here is cooked and the downside you can see is not yet cooked. What you will do, you just turn it. Okay, turn it this way. Here you turn it this way, you can see that. So now we're going to I will be putting this back to the oven to cook in 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes at the front side, 30 minutes at the back side. So let me put it back to the oven, guys. Here guys, I can see it's cooked, it's ready right now. Now you just have to turn it this way right now. Just have to turn it Yeah, it's wet cook. And right here we have the sauce right here, as you can see. There's a sauce right here, and you just have to put some of the sauce on top of the chicken, just this way. And right here we have a lot of sauce, guys. You can put the sauce right inside this bowl, this way. Okay, you can use this chicken for parts, spaghetti, anything you want. Okay, anything eatable. Okay, with this water I put this is how we came about this sauce. It brings out the sauce. Okay, guys, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, guys, share, okay, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. If you're my returning subscribers, you're highly welcome. Thank you for coming. If you're just down below my channel, you are highly welcome. Feel free to watch and enjoy. Thank you for coming. I love you all, and Merry Christmas to you all. See you guys in my next video, and have a great, wonderful day. Thank you all. See you guys in my next video. Thank you, guys. Just take a close look of let's take a close look at the chicken. You can see it's very yummy. You can see it's wet cook. You can see it very well. It's wet cook. Okay, guys, I love you guys. Thank you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you. And look at my playlist. I have a lot of roasted video on my playlist. Okay, just check it out and look on my playlist, guys. Okay, watch and like, guys. Share my video. You're always welcome to Gladys Kitchen. Me, much love to you. Happy Merry Christmas to you guys, and have a wonderful and a prosperous new year. Thank you all. I love you all. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful, lovely day. Okay, bye.